right, what's going on, guys? T-Twiz back here for another video. I hope everybody has a wonderful and great holiday. So in today's video, finally, I got the word, I didn't get the word, I got my upper fairing kit for the Transalp, so that's gonna be installed today. It is almost 65 degrees today, and we're almost to January, so you best believe after we get this install done, we're gonna go hit some trails. So let's get into today's install. Here's your chance to win my custom Honda Ruckus. Make sure you click the link down in the description to get entered. The winner will be picked March 1st. Okay, so here are your main components. This is gonna be the middle bar, obviously, and then they're gonna meet in the middle, and then you got some hardware. The only thing that I'm still missing is I have the engine guard. I'm missing the mounting hardware for that. And then I have the hardware, the wiring harness for the 12-volt socket. So once we get the socket in, I think that'll be everything that we're missing. Like I said, over there is the engine guard. So let's get into today's install. Hopefully it doesn't take too long because I want to put some miles on my girl. Okay, so first things first, you got to take the Transalp plastics off. You have 3 that are up top. And then you have a black screw here. Actually, never mind. You don't have to remove that one. I'm going to tighten that one back in. So you just have those 3 screws. And then you have a couple of these black push pins. And then same thing on this side, 3 screws. And then that's going to allow us to get to these core supports right here. And we're going to install one side at a time. So let's go. All right, next order of business. You're going to come over here. I've already removed one, but you need to remove these 2 bolts and nuts. It's a 12 millimeter. I put a ratcheting boxed in wrench on this side and got this one loose, and then I'm able to just spin this nut off. So take those bad boys out. Okay, I just want to correct myself. You do not have to take this back one out. You're just going to take this one out here, and then the next pieces, you're going to reuse this nut here, this supplied one. You're going to use this spacer, and then the provided locking nut. And then this is gonna go up just like that. So let me get everything mounted and then I'll show you guys. Okay, fair warning, the piece that goes up here where that little slider goes in the middle, it is gonna try your patience. It is very hard. It was very hard for me to do by myself, but I was able to get it done. It really did try my patience. I had to step away for a minute, came back, got it done. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten and secure these bolts, and then we're gonna move on to the next part. Hopefully that is the hardest part, I hope so. Come on, focus. Okay, so now that we have the actual brackets for the engine guard attachment fairing pieces, there's a 14 millimeter bolt that you have to remove here on the left side. We'll get this side all fitted up, and then we'll move over to the right side of the bike. Okay, so here is the new bracket. That's gonna go on the side like so. You're gonna reuse the factory nuts that you took off from these bolts, so you'll no longer be using these. And then as you can see here, it's literally just gonna get mounted up just like that. So I had to wait, these guards, or these brackets and these bolts were on back order, so I finally just got them in like 2 days ago, so now I can finally finish this kit. Okay, so just like we did on the other side, you got 2 14 millimeter bolts. You're gonna get you a box-in wrench. You're gonna get you a box-in wrench and tighten them down. But on this side in particular, you have your clutch cable. You wanna loosen this up, and they want you to turn this in towards the motor to give you 5 millimeter clearance for that. So now we should be good to go to start attaching the other part of the guard.
Also, guys, so you'll see right here, a little white hash. All you gotta do is loosen this up about half a turn, and then this will allow you to change the elbow and the direction and move it which way. Just rotate it in, retighten it back. Do not touch this one.
And now, I mean, we probably should use my middle finger, but we've got 1 finger of clearance between this bracket and that clutch cable with this completely tightened. All right, so the next piece of the puzzle, you're gonna take each side of your fairing guard. This is obviously the left side. You have this piece here, and it slides up into the top of this bar, and then you're going to take this black bolt, slide it into here, get it started, and then obviously this is going to attach just like so. So let me get everything mocked up and put into place, and then I will show you guys where everything gets you know, tightened up and bolted. Little admin note, once you get done with this bracket piece, go ahead and put your covers back on, and you're going to install the fairing around this cover piece. So we went ahead and put both sides of these back on, and then now we're going to attach just like so. Just like I showed you in the other section, just go ahead and stop what you're doing, put this back on, and then you can continue the rest of the process with your fairing guard. All right, so here's what it looks like completed to my specification, because what we're going to do is all of this is coming right back off, and it's going to the powder coater. But I just wanted to get you guys an install guide on the upper fairing guard. So there you have it. Everything's how it should be. I think it looks good. Comment down below. I haven't decided which color I'm going to do, if I'm going to do a gloss black or a flat black. But yeah, that's it. Just make sure when you get your upper fairing kit that your kit has your engine guard attachment piece with it as well, because that's what I was waiting on for mine. All right, so that is going to do it for today's video. That is the upper fairing guard attachment kit for the Honda Transalp. So if you guys are new here, please leave this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.